Meaning of hair's breadth.
Hair's breadth.
Hair's breadth.
Hair's breadth.
Hair's breadth. Hair's breadth is a phrase that means a very small or narrow distance or margin. It comes from the literal meaning of a hair, which is a very thin strand of protein that grows on the human body. In common usage, hair's breadth is often used to describe a situation where someone has succeeded or failed by an extremely small margin, such as winning a race by a hair's breadth or narrowly avoiding disaster by a hair's breadth. Essentially, it represents a very close call or outcome that could have gone either way.